Got a weird noise in here. I can't tell where it's coming from. Sounds a little bit off. Anyway, here we are in the rack room. As you can see by the wet naps right over there. Never know when you might need a wet nap after dealing with a bunch of electrical equipment. So coming up from the MyCaribouNow.com newsroom, we got some stories for you all about cannabis in Williams Lake. What should they charge businesses that make it, and what should they charge businesses that sell it? What kind of business license should they get? Or not what kind, how much should they be charged? They talked about that at council, and we got the story for you this morning. Also checking in Quesnel about the tent city and what city council has decided to do there. And also checking in on a few other stories about the cadets in the Williams Lake area expanding, and also a few other things. So make sure you listen in from the MyCaribouNow.com newsroom. Looking at the weather, it's out the window there. Ha ha! No, just kidding. Anyway, the weather, it is going to be, well, it depends on where you are. Quesnel and 100 Mile House more likely to have a shower today than Williams Lake. Of course, the showers are on the way. Why not? It's a Billy Barker Days weekend. It's a long celebratory weekend, and yeah, let's have some showers. Why not? So that's what we're going to be in for. Chance of showers, risk of thunderstorm, and that was popping around the Caribou last night. Boy, a lot of lightning, eh? Looking at sports, we got a few things coming up about the golfers out of the Caribou that are at a BC Provincial Championship. Also, we have another story that was about, the mud racing that was taking place in Forest Grove. So we got a little bit of a story about that. Also coming up today, going to find out what the gas prices are like. Are they holding steady around the Caribou? Are they going up? Are they going down? Find out at 7:10 this morning as we will do that. That's what we do every Wednesday. So there you go. So that's what's shaking from the production room. Or no, it's not the production room. This is the rack room. We got our internet connection. We got our computer with the logger on it. And we got all, of course, the wet naps. And that'll do it. Gonna head on down to the control room and get this show going. Have yourself a fantastic Wednesday. The weekend is getting closer. Getting closer. It's almost here. See you later.